You're looking for live sports all in one place, check out this app right here. It will get you everything, and if you can't find it, just try this one. I'm here to help you learn how to make your Amazon Fire TV stick absolutely wonderful. Get you whatever you want on it, or watch whatever you want on it. I'm going to head to the Your Apps and Games icon, and I'm going to remove these applications and show you how to install them yourself. Uninstall, uninstall, uninstall. So here we're at the home screen. Let's head to the search icon to the left there. Come down. You can select the select button in search and then type in a downloader, D-O-W-N. It usually comes up pretty quick here. We can click, I'll click on it. Downloader's this orange icon with a big D. And here it says, I already own it, you may not, so it may say get it, download it, and install it. Once you click on that, it'll automatically download and install the application onto your Amazon Fire TV stick. A downloader will give you the ability to sideload apps for live sports on your Amazon Fire Stick. Once it's downloaded, we can hit the home button on our remote and head all the way to the search icon, because we got to change one little option. So I have my little basketball guy there with the cogwheel or the gear wheel, and we can come down to my Fire TV. So it has changed. There was a recent update, so my Fire TV is up top instead of down at the bottom lower left. Yours may be different, so just look for my Fire TV. I have developer options listed. You may not, and that's okay. If you don't, highlight about and select it, and then here it has Fire TV stick. Highlight, make sure you have it highlighted, and click your remote about 7 to 10 times, and now it says congratulations, you are a developer. I'm already a developer, so it says no need. And then guys, trust me, check to make sure your Fire Stick is updated, because a lot of these apps update with it. So you want to make sure you have the latest and greatest versions installed. So I just had mine updated yesterday, April 9th, and we're good to go. We can back out one. Now developer options will be there listed. So click on it, and here we can turn on ADB debugging. You just select the highlighted field and then come down to install unknown apps. Click OK, and here we have downloader highlighted, and hit the select button. It turns it on. This is jailbreaking our Fire Stick. It's not jailbreaking, as you can tell. We just changed an option from a no to yes. All right. Hit the home button. Now let's find downloader, which should be under our apps and games icon, this 3 squares plus sign icon here near the far right. Click on it. And now we have downloader listed. Now guys, I'd suggest use the 3-line button on our remote, highlight it, and we can just highlight here, move to front. And guys, this puts downloader in our shortcuts queue up front on our home page. Let's go back to the home screen. And guys, before we find these applications, I'll come in here and I'll highly suggest IP Vanish for our Fire Stick. Install it, get it, download it. Check out the link up top on your screen right now. Click on it and it'll give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to log in, create an account, log in, set it up, find your closest server. So right now I'm going to open it up, IP Vanish. So we can come down, there's the little map symbol on the bottom left. We can click on that. You can go fastest available. United States, Canada. I already have some favorites in here. And I don't know if Miami will be on here, but let's see if we can find Miami. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, right? Miami. Boom. So we can favorite Miami. Click on it. Connect to Miami. You want to click to where the events are going to be, right? So if it's not Miami, somewhere else, go right ahead. Vegas, you name it. We are now located in Miami on our device. And our online security is safe. So here we have Downloader right up front with all the other awesome apps you're going to have shortly. Let's open up Downloader. Downloader may take a moment to start up. Say allow to allow Downloader to access photos, media, and files on our device. Say OK. A quick start guide, we can say OK. And here we have just a search field. We can type in a quick shortcut 370178. Now this will head to our Led by the Unknown webpage, the download section, and find these awesome applications for your Amazon Fire TV stick. There's a 5-second redirect. So once that's done, the page is loaded. Use our 3-line button on our remote, and we can add current page to favorites, so we no longer have to use that shortcut. And then on the sidebar there where favorites, you click on it and find your shortcut. So here we're in the downloads page. We can come on down. Pop-up shows up. You can just close it or get out your phone, scan the QR code, get yourself an awesome discount on IP Vanish. And here we have movies. A little further down, and here under the sports section, we can find the one that's on fire for starters. And of course down here in this page, you can find a little tutorial on the application itself. But we're just going to click the download button here for the latest or the backup. Once it's downloaded, hit install. Once it's installed, just click done, because we need to delete this installation file. We no longer need it. So delete. And now we can go back to the download section, and here we have TV. This is another app with awesome options for channels. And here we can do the Amazon device or an Android device. And here we can go down, click install again, wait for the install to finish, and then click done, and of course click delete. Now these two apps will give you a monster level of content. You may no longer want to use any other app on your device for sports. And guys, of course, as you can tell, some demo videos for you to check out. So like in Fire, we come down, and here's a demo on the installation and on what's in the app. So we can go back to the home screen. Let's find these two apps that we downloaded. Of course, all the way to the 3 squares plus sign. So the apps and games section, click on it. Here we have our one app. We can hit the 3-line button on our remote. And of course, move it to the front. And there we go. TV's up. Then highlight Fire. And we move down to the front also. Come back to the home screen. And there we go, guys. We got 2 to 3 of our top applications for live sports on our Amazon Fire TV stick. You're welcome. Peace.